Hello Boutiqaat, I'm Adam Sidwell and I'm Education and Events for the UK, Europe, the Middle East and Asia. And I'm here to showcase to you today our latest innovation from Hourglass Cosmetics. The first step, today I'm going to be using the Vanish Airbrush Primer, which will really help to blur imperfections, soften pores and lock makeup on for 24 hours. To achieve flawless application, I'm going to be using the latest innovation from Hourglass Cosmetics, which is the Ambient Soft Glow Foundation. This is an amazing foundation which is medium coverage. Here at Hourglass, we also custom design tools for each innovation. So this is the Ambient Soft Glow Foundation brush. Next step for the most perfect complexion is to use the Vanish Airbrush Concealer. This has very quickly had worldwide status. It's become an instant icon. The third step in creating a signature Hourglass look is to use our Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Next, I'm going to apply the Vanish Blush Stick in shade Sacred. Now I'm going to add Radiant Bronze Light, which is our ambient lighting powder bronzer, and this will help to soften and smooth and diffuse the skin. Next step, over the Veil Eye Primer, I'm going to apply our Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. This is a highly prismatic sheen with a crystal-like shimmer. So this is the Hourglass Voyeur Waterproof Gel Liner, and this really is liner without limits. You can use this on the waterline, you can tight line with it, you can do an elaborate wing if you want to. I'm going to dress the eyes with Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara, which is our first film forming technology, which means it wraps every single lash and it locks in definition and lift. So this is the Phantom Volumizing Glossy Balm in shade Slip, and we can see how juicy and hydrated and nourished those lips look. So now that the makeup is very near completion, I'm going to go in with the Ambient Palette Volume 2. Now this is a global bestseller because it houses 3 of our best-selling shades inside. The final finale to every makeup look at Hourglass should always include the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. This will deliver a beautiful soft focus glow to the skin.